Let's get straight to it. Today we're working on a 2012 Honda Accord. Let's start by removing the negative battery terminal. To get to the spark plugs, we have to get down up in here. So there's four 10mm bolts that we have to remove. Let's get those off. Once you get that cover off, then you're going to reveal your ignition coils. To speed things up, I'm only going to change one on camera. So I'm going to undo this harness here, pull that off. Then there's a 10mm bolt. We're going to get that out. After that, you can go ahead and pull your ignition coil up and go ahead and check it for any oil. It looks nice and dry. If there's oil in it, that means there's a leak somewhere in the valve cover. So that's why we're checking for that. We can go ahead and put the ignition coil back in. Then put your bolt back in. Let's go ahead and tighten that up. Let's go ahead and get our harness connected. Now we have to get this piece back on here. And remember, it was 4 bolts that went in there. Get those started. So just don't forget to reattach your negative battery terminal, and that should be it. So thanks again for sticking to another video. If you liked the video and you thought it was helpful, be sure to hit the like, subscribe button. Also, if you feel this video saved you some money, don't be afraid to leave a little tip in the Cash App. The more reactions and support that I receive is the more content that I'll make.